Somehow, some way, keep coming up with funky ass shit like every single day. May I kick a little something for the G's and make a few ends as I breeze through 2 in the morning and the party still jumping cause my mama ain't home. I got bitches in the living room getting it on and they ain't leaving till 6 in the morning. So what you wanna do? Shit, I got a pocket full of rubbers and my homeboys do too. So turn off the lights and close the doors. But what? We don't love them hoes. Yeah. So we gon' smoke an ounce to this. G's up, hoes down, while you motherfuckers bounce to this.
Bounce on this? Not at all, bro. I thought real Snoop Dogg was going to perform. Do you really want a band that sings their own songs next time? Then you should approach Scarlett Entertainment. At Scarlett Entertainment, they work together with the customers to offer them a different entertainment experience. Done the Scarlett way because they have the know-how and the talent. Through insight-driven entertainment powered by high-quality talent and in-house creative productions, they help you maximize your events to fit your vision and values, on time, on budget, and with your resources in mind. They employ more than 50 full-time employees who speak 11 languages. With offices in the UK, Italy, the UAE, and the US, our multilingual team provides entertainment for more than 2,000 international events every year. Industry knowledge and connections, digital platform and global presence have enabled dedicated multilingual entertainment specialists to create and deliver high-quality results for Formula One, Range Rover, Red Bull, Cirque du Soleil, and much more.